Our latest Star Trek collectible is the Klingon Bird of Prey on 1 ounce of pure silver, arriving in this Star Trek themed box, perfect for display. On the back here you've got the coin specifications confirming it's 1 ounce of 999 fine silver, the year of issue 2024, and the limited mintage is just 2,000 coins. You've also got your certificate of authenticity and the coin's unique number on that sticker there as well. So the coin is uniquely shaped and features colour print highlighting the bird of prey journeying through the cosmos. And then you've got these frosted futuristic elements which also extend to the back of the coin as well. And you've got the public seal of Niue there, confirming it as legal tender. And there we have our latest Star Trek collectible, 1 ounce of pure silver, featuring the Klingon Bird of Prey. Head to our website to secure yours.